Example 2, a neighboring family just welcomed their third child. It turns out that all three of their children in this family are girls, but they are not twins or triplets. Suppose that for each birth, the probability of a boy birth is 0.5, and the probability of a girl is also 0.5. What are the chances of having 3 girls in the family's first 3 births? So in this one is very similar to our previous one, except we've added a column for the third child. So our first question says to fill in the tree diagram showing the 8 possible birth outcomes for a family with 3 children, no twins or triplets. Use the symbol capital B for the outcome of boy and capital G for the outcome of girl. All right, so we're going to fill in our table. So we have boy or a girl as our first child. So if we have a boy, we could have a boy or a girl, a boy or a girl. So we're going to go to this third child. So blank 4, we could have a boy or a girl. And then we could have for blank 5 a boy or a girl. Could have a boy or a girl. And then our last set, a boy or a girl. So we're going to go through and list our outcomes. We could have a boy, boy, boy. Outcome 2, boy, boy, girl. Our third outcome, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy. We could have a boy, a girl, and a girl. We could have a girl, boy, boy. Have a girl, boy, girl. A girl, girl, boy. Or a girl, girl, girl. Alright, so let's use our table and let's answer some questions. What is the probability, written as a decimal, for obtaining outcome 1? So outcome 1 was boy, boy, boy. So we're going to go 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, because the probability of having a boy is 0.5 each time. And when we multiply those together, we get 0.125. Our next question says, what is outcome 2? Outcome 2 in our table was boy, boy, girl. Question 10, what is outcome 5? If we go back to our table, outcome 5 was girl, boy, boy. Girl, boy, boy. Okay. 11, what is the probability of outcome 8? That was our last outcome of girl, girl, girl. So girl, girl, girl. So again, 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, which was 0.125. Okay, number 12. Is the probability of having 3 girls more or less than the probability of having exactly 2 girls in 3 births? So we just found that the probability of having a girl, and a girl was 0.125. So now let's go through and find the probability of having exactly 2 girls. So no, no, no. Here's one probability. Boy, girl, girl. No. Here's one. Girl, boy, girl. That was right here. Oh, and girl, girl, boy. So if we were to find each of these, it would be 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. So each of these outcomes are the same as the girl, girl, girl. But in this case, we need to combine all of them together, so we get a total of 0.375. So the probability of having a girl for all 3 births is less than having exactly 2 girls in 3 births. And our last question, what is the probability of a family of 3 children having at least one girl? So if we go to our outcome list, all of these have at least one girl except for that very top outcome of boy, boy, boy. So it's all outcomes except boy, boy, boy. So we could take that whole, if we had all of the probabilities 1 minus the probability of a boy, 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 which was 0.125. And when we subtract that out, we get 0.875.